Many times questions are asked from the FAR and maximum buildable concept from your housing sector, that is in the common part. So let us look into one of the previous year question of this concept. Let's read the question first. A developer would like to select a residential plot of 3000 square meter for a group housing in a city. Different options varying development controls are given. In every group housing plot, 15% of the floor area ratio or FAR over and above maximum permissible FAR has to be utilized for the EWS section. So the maximum build-up area and meter square available from the options given below is. So first let us try to understand this question. It says there are 4 options, okay, and the developer wants to select the site of or any area of 3000 square meter. Now conditions of all these 4 plots have been given. 1. Ground coverage is 30% and FAR is 1.5. Next, ground coverage is 20% and FAR is 2. Third, 40% ground coverage area, FAR is 2. And fourth, 15% is the ground coverage area and FAR is 3. Now, let us look into a few basic understandings of few basic concepts first. Number 1, maximum built-up area is what we are supposed to find out. So first, maximum built-up area can be found out by the method of FAR, that is FAR multiplied by the total plot area. Second, total built-up area can also be found by the method of understanding what is going to be the ground coverage in terms of meter square and multiplying it by the number of floors. So ground coverage multiplied by number of floors. Okay. Now, in this case, your number of floors or any kind of height restriction is not given anywhere in the question. So you can directly calculate the maximum built-up area based on FAR multiplied by plot area. Now the plot area has been given to you 3000 square meter. Okay. Next understanding. Now with respect to built-up area and FAR, is it directly proportional or is it inversely proportional? It is directly proportional, meaning more the FAR, more will be the built-up area available to us, and the developer wants to choose definitely the one with the maximum built-up area. Now in the question, FAR maximum is given in option number 4. Okay? So this is the option that we are going to select. Now what about this ground coverage? We do not have any restriction with respect to number of floors. The number of floors are not given. We cannot use the information of ground coverage given to us. So otherwise what we would have done is we would have converted this ground coverage from percentage to meter square, and then we would have multiplied it by the number of floors allowed, and then we would have found out the total built up area. In this case, we do not need to look at those details at all, and this as an extra information we can cancel it out completely. What we have to go ahead is, as I told you, option number 4 with maximum FAR. Maximum FAR is going to give us the maximum built up area. Having said that, now the question is not asking which of the options will have the maximum built up area, but it is asking us the maximum built up area in meter square. So let us try to find out that. Built up area is equals to FAR multiplied by plot area. Plot area has been given as 3000. Now here FAR cannot be 3. Why? Because an additional of 15% of FAR over and above the existing FAR will be given to construct the EWS housing. Okay. So here we will write FAR dash, that is the revised FAR. Let us first try to find that. FAR dash or revised FAR is equals to original FAR plus 15% of the FAR. That brings us to 3 plus 0.45, that is 3.45. This is our revised FAR. Now substituting that over here, 3.45 multiplied by 3000. If you solve for this, you get 10350 meter square as the answer. Now this is a NET type of question, meaning you do not have to choose from the given options A, B, C, D, but you have to type this answer in the exam. So you will type 10350. Okay. If you want to understand more numericals of FAR and if you want to understand more numericals of housing in general, we at KP Classes have come up with a 45 days capsule course which will be targeted on the preparation of GATE 2025, in which we'll be covering all the subjects that will enable you to understand and to complete the entire syllabus in these 45 days. So if you want to enroll in this course or if for any query, you can WhatsApp or you can call us on this given number.
KP Classes, dedicated to excellence.